guys, my name is Bishal Dutta and you are watching my channel Infamous Teacher. Today we are going to learn the basic concept of limit. I know that you all have problems in understanding the basic concepts, so I will help you in understanding those topics. Today I have one more important announcement to make. There is a person who is very known to me. He wants to help you all along with me and he has been requesting me for a long time. So what he will do, he will be giving you this mathematical explanation from the live point of view, and after he finishes I will come and explain it from the mathematical point of view. So I hope you all understand what he is saying. Now he will come and introduce himself, and all of you please keep watching. Hello guys, this is my name. All of you, let me tell you that I am his brother and I am just completely opposite of him, just like my name. He might be making you all bored with the regular classes, but today I am here to share a story with you all. All of you listen to the story, but there is a surprise for you all. While you listen to the story, I can assure you that the whole concept will get cleared. Okay, so be with me and listen to the story. So suppose you like a girl and you are trying different actions upon her, and based on her response, every response that you are getting, it seems a positive response. Means you are smiling at her, she is giving a smile. You are messaging her, the replies that she is giving, they are also kind of a positive response. So from every angle, it seems a yes. Then comes the final day of judgment. You went to, suppose she is standing over here, and you went to woo her from this side. Okay. And you said what you wanted to say for a long time, and the reply that she gives, no, but I like you as a friend. Okay, I know that this is paining your heart, so let's forget this, that she said that I like you as a friend. Let us only remember till that part, that this was almost a yes. Okay, and we will continue the story with the false hope that it was almost a yes. So you were so near to her, yet you couldn't get her. Okay, now since you went from the left and told her whatever you wanted to tell, and after you told her, she told, the kind of response was, you all know, no need to repeat it. Okay, it was the response was of like it was almost a yes, suppose. So this thing we will tell as x tends to a minus. Okay, since you approach from the left direction. Now who is x then? Okay, let me tell you who is x. Now don't think about x, okay, that kind of x. X means suppose your name here is x and her name is A. So since you approached her from the left direction and you couldn't get her, so we are telling it as x tends to A minus. In the same way, if you would have came from the right side, approached her, answer was almost a yes, not no, then we would have told it as x tends to A plus. Okay, now what was the function? Here suppose the function be that all the activities that you did during that period, just to impress, so all that activities together, let it be fx. Okay, now when we are very close to her, the answer seems to be yes. So how can we write it in mathematical way? So when x tends to A means you are very close to her, then fx tends to a yes. So we can write it as, what we can write? Once we can write is that limit x tends to A minus fx equal to yes, means when you approach from the left and you were very close, the answer seemed to be yes. This we can also call as left hand limit, and then limit x tends to A plus fx equal to yes, we will call this as right hand limit, because in this case you approach from the right, but remember you were close but you never could approach. Okay, so I hope whatever he has explained is clear to you all. So now I will be explaining you, giving some mathematical examples. So all of you see, suppose I will be first explaining you what is x tends to A minus and x tends to A plus. Okay, now or x tends to A. So suppose we are taking A to be 2. Okay, now first example, suppose x we consider 1.99. Many times we are putting 9. Suppose we are putting 9 for 100 times. Now if I if I put this point in a number line, where will this number reside? This number will reside on the left hand side of 2, and it will be very near to 2. But is it equal to 2? No. So it will lie very close to 2. So, and at the same time you all can see here that it is approaching 2 from the left hand side. So in that case we will denote it by x tends to a minus. Okay. In the next example, suppose we have a equal to 2 again, and x we are considering as 2.00. Again we are considering, suppose there are 100 zeros in between. Okay. So where will this number reside? This number will reside on the right hand side of 2, and it is very close to 2. So, and since it is approaching 2 from which side? It is approaching 2 from the right hand side. So in this case we will denote it by x tends to a plus. Now whenever x is near to a, be it from the left hand side or from the right hand side, means if it is approaching from the left also, like for this one, or it is approaching from the right also for this one, in both the cases we will tell that x tends to a, means it is approaching a, it is very near to a, but it is not equal to a. So both x tends to a minus and x tends to a plus, both of them means x tends to a only. Okay. Okay. So now let us consider the function fx equal to x plus 1. Now we will explain what is left hand limit. For this function we will use the previous value of a, means where a was our 2. Okay. So what is left hand limit? Left hand limit means when x tends to a minus, what will be the value of limit when, what will be the value of fx? Now a minus means when the value x was approaching to our point a from the left side. So a limit x tends to a minus fx is our left hand limit. Now according to our previous value of a, what was it? Limit x tends to 2 minus, and what is fx? X plus 1. Now you all remember that what was the value we have taken for x when it was 2 minus? We took x to be 1.9999999. Okay, and we told that there were 109, suppose, means a number which is very close to 2. Okay, now if this is the value of x, what will be the value of x plus 1? The value of x plus 1 will be 2.99999 many nines. And you all can say that this number is also what? This number is also very close to 3. So we can say it that it tends to 3. So when when x tends to 2 minus, our fx tends to 3 minus. So in that case we can say that limit x tends to 2 minus x plus 1 is equal to 3. Means the value is very close to 3, and that's why you are writing it equal to 3. Next is for right hand limit. For right hand limit again we will use the same example. Just all of you remember once more that what was the value of x that we had considered there. We took it to be 2.00001, and we told that there were suppose 100 zeros in between. So if this is the value of x, this 2.00001, what will be the value of x plus 1 now? Again the value of x plus 1 will be 3.00001. Suppose there are 100 zeros. So again you all can tell me that this number is very close to 3, but it is not exactly equal to 3. So we can tell that this also tends to 3 as well. So here we can write that when x tends to 2 plus, fx tends to 3 plus, and therefore we can write that limit x tends to a plus fx equal to 3. So here we got our left hand limit, that is when x was tending to 2 from the left hand side. In that case the functional value that we are calling it as the left hand limit, and here we have got the right hand limit, means when x was tending approaching a from the right side, what was the functional value, that is equal to 3. Now from this part in exam one question generally comes that we have to prove that we have to show that limit exists or not. So for that what you will have to do? For that kind of sums you have to find limit LHL and RHL, and if LHL equal to RHL, then you can say that limit exists. Means this is the condition for limit to exist. Means for a particular function its limit exists only when the left hand limit and the right hand limit are equal. Okay. So guys, I hope my today's video was clear to you all, and I hope that you were able to understand that what he has said. If you all liked his teaching, then you all put it in the comment section, then definitely I will call him for further classes, else I will continue all by myself. And if you have any doubt, put it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share. What? Okay, wait, he has to say something. Guys, don't forget to give a positive response. Otherwise, he will not allow me to join him for the next further time again. So please give a positive response for me so that I can come. And please don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Thank you. So is it clear what he has said? So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.